In primetime news this evening, suspect in police killing shot and killed hours later. We have team coverage of what has been a bloody Friday. And Prime Minister Andrew Holness addresses the nation with the latest on COVID-19. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the Financial Week, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what's your reaction to the killing of 2 policemen by gunmen this morning?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.